Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 8 times x minus 4 equals 180. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. Use the same operation on both sides to keep the equation equal. Add 4 to both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives 8 times x equals 184. The variable coefficient is 8. Divide both sides by 8 to leave the variable alone. Quick check. Substitute 23 for x. Both sides equal 180, so the equation balances. So, x equals 23.